Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for December 30th, 2019. Yes, this is the last Monday for the decade and for December, naturally. All right, let's get to it. XLY and KO both tied at 11%. Let's see what's going on over there. And there we are. XLY is right here. There's our exit right there. And we have 5 contracts up for sale, and there's nothing much more you can do. It's 11%. We're 275 ahead, and we're looking to regaining the 316. It's holiday time, so you can expect this to happen. Some people get a little bit nervous about money being left out there on holiday times. Other things happen. It's the end of the year. Remember, too, portfolio managers have to sell their profit leaders to turn to cash to pay institutions, which mostly is pension funds and executive retirement plans and end of year bonuses, and the list goes on. All right. That said, we just keep at it. There's nothing else to report here. CVX and Arena have not doing much force, but let's get over to the Tigers and see what they're up to. So over here at the Tigers, we have Coca-Cola in the lead for the 11, and there it is. So let's go ahead and get all these other little parameters done now. Okay, there we are. Coca-Cola is 11%. It's in profit zone. The dipper and my black value line matched up. It's still 54.50. There's nothing else to do about it. If we can get ourselves a little dipper here come next week, it'd be nice to lock in. Coke is only $72 ahead, and it was $4.53. Moving over now to USO oil, and similar situation. We don't have any movement. There's the black value line. It's there's the stop right there, 12.50, and I'll recheck my work here, and it says, sure enough, it is. It is. Now, this would be a nice anticipation. We had a nice little dipper here. If we can get a nice up tomorrow, then we can get the stop moved here under the profit zone rules. So what else is to say? But that's it. Happy New Year to everyone. I thank everyone for following me through on since I started, since initiation of the Losers Become Winners. I hope it has been good for you. We are looking for a nice 2020. We're looking to knocking off the 65 lost leaders in the Alpha group. Tigers only have 20. Yeah, the Tigers only have 20 lost leaders to knock out. It's so sweet. And then I'll be dropping off a special video after tomorrow markets close. After the markets close, I will be posting the 2 videos: the daily, Losers Become Winners, and the New Year's Eve, New Year's special. So that said, I thank you for coming by. Check it out, and trade smart, trade well, trade profitable. Bye-bye.